Hello, hello, हेलो पिज़्ज़ा। आवाज़ आ रही क्या? हेलो, आवाज़ आ रही बेटे? पिज़्ज़ा।
जी सर, आ रही है आपकी आवाज़।
आज ठीक ठीक है। तो this is our fourth semester BSc second year, and the theory paper number 12th, and the name of the paper is the plant physiology. So in this particular year, the syllabus designed by our university in this semester is the plant physiology, and the three units are there in this uh, paper, and these are like this manner. So first unit is in which plant water relations are there, particularly diffusion, osmosis, plasmolysis, and imbibition. These are the short terms which are included in this syllabus. Then water absorption and ascent of sap, in which transpiration pull theory is there. Then transpiration, in which definition and types of transpiration like cuticular, lenticular, stomatal transpiration, etc. And the structure of stomata, open stomata, closed stomata, and mechanism of opening and closing of stomata. And in which there is a one more theory is there is also included, that is called as a star sugar hypothesis. Then another unit is mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrition, in which macro and micro elements are there, role and their deficiency symptoms. In which macro belong to, there is a again 4, and from macro again 4. NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium. These are there is a belong to macro elements, and ferrous, zinc, boron, and manganese are belong to the micro elements are there. How they are roles are in the plant development, and if they are in the negligible quantity or in the less quantity, so what will be happening in the uh, physical appearance of that plant, that is the deficiency symptoms are there, that we are going to study in this, there is a chapter. Then mineral uptake is there, passive uptake is there, and ion exchange theory and active carrier concept is also there is a included in this mineral nutrition. And the next unit there is a subunit is the translocation of solute, in which mass flow hypothesis, protoplasmic streaming theory, source and sink relationship. So this is the subunit, and there is a again in the second unit enzymes are there, chemical nature, holoenzyme, apoenzyme, prosthetic group, cofactor, coenzyme, properties of enzyme, nomenclature of enzyme, classification of enzyme based on reaction, mechanism of enzyme action. So these are there is a enzymes. Then there is a subunit is the growth, definition of the growth, phases of the growth, then sigmoid growth curve, and there is a growth regulators, which are growth hormones are also called it is. There are discovery, structure, roles, and practical application of these. There is a growth regulator, particularly auxin is there, gibberellin is there, and cytokinin, abscisic acid, and lastly there is a ethylene. In this there is a second chapter, and there is a third chapter is a photosynthesis and respiration. So these are there is a chapters which we have again previously studied in some other classes also, in which photosynthesis the definition is there, ultrastructure of chloroplast, photosynthetic pigment like light reaction, Hill reaction, red drop, and immersion enhancement effect. Then two pigment system 1 and pigment system second is also there. Then photophosphorylation, in which cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. It is also called as a Dhurskin dark reaction. Then C3 cycle, C4 cycle, and CAM pathway. So this is are the topics of the photosynthesis that it is we have studied previously. It is a familiar term, photosynthesis. Then we are again recapitulating this topic. Then respiration, the last subtopic is there, in which definition, ultrastructure of mitochondria, one of the cell organelles. Cell organelles we have seen different types of the cell organelles. There is a ribosome is there, then chloroplast is there, then peroxisome is there, then all this endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body. So this is a cell organelle. Here we are studying mitochondria, ultrastructure of mitochondria. Then types of respiration, in which there is a respiration, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, then glycolysis, then TCA cycle, tricarboxylic acid cycle, ETS, electron transport system, alcoholic and lactic acid fermentation. So definition of fermentation, and these are the types of there is a fermentation. So this is there is a our a 3 unit syllabus. So most of them are we have studied somewhere in first year or in 11th or in 12th science. So this is a just we are again recapitulating here. So these are the books which are recommended by our university for this syllabus. Recommended books. So here, plant physiology, yes, K. Verma. This is very simple and easy book which is available in our. There is a library by there is a Yes Chand publication. The second is a plant physiology VKJ, and this is also available in our major quantity in our library. Library plant physiology by Kochar. This is also there, and plant physiology Yan Aro Mugam. So this is a again very easy book according to our syllabus, and to the point is there. That is a Saras publication का है plant physiology or plant physiology by Pandey or Sinha. This is also a book which is available in our. There is a library. You have to take these books from our library or in our departmental library also. These are available. And go to this syllabus. So this is there is a question pattern of our syllabus, in which if a question pattern, this is for a not online type of a question type, it is a offline question pattern is there, in which there is a what is happening, BSc second year, same fourth, botany paper 12, plant physiology, attempt all questions, equal marks, and neat label diagram necessary. So long question, unit first, 20 marks is there. Then or long question is there. Unit it is belongs from unit two, again 20 marks. Question number two is there. Long answer question belongs to unit three, or there is a write short notes 84 out of 6 from out or syllabus based on all topics is there. And question number three is the MCQ. Here रहता है, there is a it is having a 10 marks. So it is a all about 50 mark question paper. It is a just like a offline question paper है ये. और आप जब दे रहे हैं, अगर अपना अक्टूबर या सितंबर अक्टूबर में जब एग्जाम रहेगा, अगर ये देर इज ऑफलाइन रहा तो ये क्वेश्चन पेपर रहेगा, अगर ऑनलाइन रहा तो इट इज अ मल्टीपल चॉइस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, पूरे मल्टीपल चॉइस रहेंगे इन दिस all syllabus. So this is there is a syllabus which is designed by our there is a uh, BAMU University. Then we will see one by one all these topics from all these three units, how they are there is a given in this syllabus. So see here, there is a first topic which is a very simple, and that is we are continuously heard about this, and that is a transpiration. So transpiration means there is a it is just called as a loss of water from there is a plant, that is called as a transpiration. So miss this a detailed definition is like this manner. Transpiration, loss of water from living tissue of aerial part of the plant in the form of water vapor is called as transpiration. Water vapor aerial part means there is a stem is there, then leaves are there, then flowers are there. These are the aerial portion of the plant, and there is a underground portion is root. Root are the underground portion, and this is a लॉस ऑफ वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेपर. वेपर में जाता है पानी बाहर, और वो है देर इज अ रूट स्टेम है लीव्स में से, सॉरी स्टेम और देर इज अ लीव्स में से, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज ए ट्रांसपायरेशन. तो ये ट्रांसपायरेशन है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लिक्विड ड्रॉप्स में जब जाता है तो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, ए गटेशन, और देर इज अ सिक्रीशन डायरेक्टली इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए ड्रॉपलेट में आता है. ये अपना कैसा आता है, वेपर में जाता है, तो उसको बोलते हैं ट्रांसपायरेशन. गटेशन in some firms are there is a having a secretion is this takes place, वहाँ पे secretion होता है, that is called as a guttation. Then Curtis 1926 said that transpiration is a necessary evil. So for the Curtis the scientist, he called it is a evil, a necessary evil, it is required for there is a plants, there is a development, and plants there is a metabolism, and it is a very crucial also. So that site is called as a necessary evil. Then the transpiration, types of transpiration. So on the basis of there from which agency the water is lost, on that basis it is divided into three types. If the water is lost from cuticle, it is called as a cuticular transpiration. That is the first. And there is a, if it is transferred from lenticule, it is called as a lenticular transpiration. And if water is lost from there is the stomata, and it is called as a stomatal transpiration. So stomatal. तो ये थ्री पार्ट्स है जहाँ से वाटर बाहर जाता है प्लांट के. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रांसपरेशन टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम द लीव्स. वो मैक्सिमम कहाँ से जाता है, लीव्स में से जाता है. अपना भी there is a स्किन में से जो जाता है बाहर का एरियल पार्ट्स में से, स्वीट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्वीट टू मेंटेन द ट्रांसपायर. there is a temperature of body temperature, like that have a plant may be there is a ये just like a sweeting or which is known as a foliar transpiration. foliar बोल तो लीफ में से जाता है, लीव्स में से जाता है ट्रांसफर, मैक्सिमम इज लीव्स, एंड पर्टिकुलरली स्टोमेटा ओपनिंग चाहिए स्टोमेटा, उसमें से मैक्सिमम जाता है, एंड निग्लिजिबल अमाउंट ऑफ देर इज अ क्यूटिकुलर एंड डेंटिसल. दो वाटर इज ऑल्सो लॉस फ्रॉम स्टेम में से भी जाता है, फ्लावर्स में भी जाता है, फ्रूट में से भी जाता है, इसी. एंड दीज आर देर इज अ थ्री टाइप जस्ट वी हैव डिस्कस. देन देर इज अ फर्स्ट क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपैरेशन जिसके बोलते हैं. So when water is lost through the cuticle, it is called as a cuticular transpiration. Cuticle क्या है फिर, cuticle is a waxy coating layer or layer present on the epidermis of leaves and herbaceous stem. और stem और leaves पे एक waxy coating layer है और वो थिन लेयर है उसका क्यूटिकल का. पूरे देर इज अ प्लांट में क्या रहता है, क्यूटिकल इज प्रेजेंट. क्यूटिकल इज एब्सेंट इन एनिमल सेल में क्यूटिकल नहीं रहती. ये देर इज अ बेसिक डिफरेंस है देर इज अ प्लांट सेल में और एनिमल सेल में. प्लांट सेल में और बहुत सारे देर इज अ डिफरेंस है. क्लोरोप्लास्ट है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं है. वैक्यूल्स आर लार्जर है प्लांट सेल में, उधर देर इज अ स्मॉलर है. then other there is differences are also there. So this is a cuticle waxy coating layer which is present on the epidermis. epidermis के ऊपर रहती है तो उसको बोलते a cuticle. And cuticle is mainly mean to prevent the loss of water from the plant. प्लांट में का वाटर बाहर नहीं जाने के करके, और इट गिव्स ए स्ट्रेंथ टू द प्लांट और इट इज गिव द रिजिडिटी टू द प्लांट. प्लांट को एक कड़क बना देने के वास्ते, मैकेनिकल सपोर्ट देने के वास्ते एक क्यूटिकल रहती. बट ड्यू टू सम cracks in it and when it is in thin layer water is lost through it. तो बट क्या होता है कि समटाइम्स ड्यू टू दैट इज द मूवमेंट ऑफ द प्लांट ये क्या हो जाती, थीन हो जाती, बारीक हो जाती और क्रैक्स आ जाते ऊपर और घिसने की वजह से, और क्रैक में से देर इज द वाटर लॉस होता है. और ये बहुत कम होता है जनरली. नियरली 5% ऑफ वाटर इज लॉस्ट थ्रू इट. यहाँ से क्या है, खाली 5% वाटर देर इज लॉस्ट होता है. निग्लिजिबल क्वांटिटी में देर इज अ क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन होता है जो ऊपर के लेयर में से जा रहा है. देर इज अ क्यूटिकल बोलते. देन क्यूटिकल कैसी है, इम्पीरियस टू वाटर है. इट डज नॉट अलो वाटर टू पास थ्रू इट इजीली. ये इजीली वाटर नहीं जाता है. हेंस क्यूटिकुलर ट्रांसपेरेशन इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू द थिकनेस ऑफ द क्यूटिकल. ये क्या है, देयर इज अ on the basis of the thickness of the, if hard cuticle is there, less water is there is a transferred or loss, or there is it is thin is there, water is lost maximum quantity. The plant exposure to sunlight have thick cuticle, while the plants in shaded are thin. अगर प्लांट को वेल एरिएटेड लाइट है, अगर सनलाइट है तो वहाँ पे क्यूटिकल के लेयर्स बढ़ जाते हैं, वो थिक हो जाती है. और जहाँ पे लाइट कम है वहाँ पे जनरली क्या हो जाता है, क्लोरोप्लास्ट नहीं तैयार होता, येलोइंग होता है देर इज लीव्स का, और देर इज क्यूटिकल भी बहुत थिन हो जाती है. और इट इज प्रेजेंट इन हर्बेसियस स्टेम, फ्लावर, पार्ट एंड फ्रूट. ये पूरे जो ग्रीन रहते हैं, देर इज अ हर्बेसियस प्लांट मीन्स देर इज अ प्लांट्स विच आर 5 बिलो 5 सेंटीमीटर. ये सेंटीमीटर देर इज अ ज़्यादा बड़े प्लांट में नहीं होता. ये देर इज अ ये छोटे प्लांट में देर इज अ present in particularly cuticle. ये cuticle herbaceous plant में रहता है. Then second one is a lenticular transpiration. तो lenticular transpiration is takes place through the lenticell. lenticell से होता है. It is called as a lenticular. lenticell how they are look like, कहाँ पे रहते हैं वो lenticell? इन वुडी प्लांट. ये जो वुडी प्लांट है जहाँ पे आफ्टर सेकेंडरी ग्रोथ होती, द एपिडर्मिस इज प्लेस्ड बाय द पेरी पेरीडर्म whose outer layers consist of dead cells. जो ऊपर की जो वुडी लेयर्स में जो छाल रहती, बार्क रहती, वहाँ पे देर इज लेंटिसेल्स रहते. thus lenticels are the slit in the bark of woody plant. ये वुडी प्लांट के बार्क में रहते, which are filled with loosely arranged cells known as complementary. तो ये स्ट्रक्चर है यहाँ पे बताया वाला, ये ऐसे रहते लेंटिसेल्स. ये जो बताया वाला है इसमें बी में, ये देर इज वुडी प्लांट है, लकड़ी वाला, जिसके छाल छाल एक्सपोज हो जाती है, और ये लेंटिसेल्स देर इज दिखते. तो इसमें ये पाउडरी मास ऑफ सेल्स है, एंड दिस कॉल्ड एज अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सेल्स बोलते हैं इसको. ये है जो इपिडर्मिस, रप्चर्ड इपिडर्मिस बोलते हैं इसको. ये टूट जाती, फट जाती, देर इज अ लेंटिसेल, एंड देर इज a water is comes out from this a intracellular spaces, and it is a loss of water from there is a lenticell, that is called as a lenticell lar transpiration. उसको बोलते हैं lenticellar surface. ये इधर epidermis है, यहाँ पे इधर इधर ब्रोकन हुई है. ये दिस इज द corcambium secondary cortex. So this is there is a structure of a lenticell which is present in this a diagram B, that is called as a bark and there is a woody plant is there. So in this there is a, mouth-like opening that is called as a lenticule, that water is lost, and uh, plant having there is a less from there is water, or from there is it is dehydrated due to this loss of water. So water vapor escape out from the complementary cells of the cell. तो ये complementary जो सेल है लूजली अरेंज सेल है, वो जो पाउडरी लाइक है, पाउडर लाइक है, वो उसमें से वाटर लॉस हो जाता है. लेंटिकुलर ट्रांसपिरेशन ऑफ इन द स्टेम वुडी ट्रीज एंड फ्रूट. ये जनरली जो बड़े वुडी झाड़ है, ह्यूज ट्री है, इसमें से देर इज ये लेंटिकुलर ट्रांसपायरेशन होता है. छोटे झाड़ों में से नहीं होता, जैसे कि क्यूटिकुलर होता है, वो हर्बिसियस प्लांट में होता है. एंड this it is a quite negligible because the amount of water transpired through lenticule is again 0.1% of the total loss of water by the whole plant. तो ये उससे भी कम होता है, there is a 0.1% यहाँ से लॉस हो रहा है. तो this is there is a called as a lenticular transpiration. ये lenticular transpiration इसमें बोलेंगे there is a woody plant growth. Here there is a the third one is called as the stomatal transpiration. Here it is a mouth. Stoma means there is a mouth like structure, direct opening है. अब यहाँ से water there is a loss होता है. So this structure of the stomata is looks like this. तो ये अगर microscopic we will see in this there is a such type of a stomata are seen on the epidermis. ये है epidermis. This is the stomata. This is the open stomata which are present on the epidermis. Then this is a magnified diagram of stomata. So I say magnified. So this is a open stomata and this is a closed stomata. So these are there is a kidney shaped guard cells are there. ये kidney shaped कैसे guard cell है. Swollen है. Swollen means there is a bit full of water. And here also chloroplast is also there. Cell wall है इसमें. स्टोमा बोले तो ये देर इज अ माउथ, माउथ लाइक देर इज, ये न्यूक्लियस है, दिस इज द वैक्यूल्स. सो दिस इज अ हेयर full of water, and so that this is a open like structure, and this is a shrunken, these guard cells are shrunken, no water is there, and so that they are become closed. ये है closed stomata है. So this is there is a when they are open water is moves from this opening, यहाँ से there is a water बाहर जाता है, and this water is a maximum losses takes place from the stomata. यहाँ से बहुत ज़्यादा वाटर बाहर जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू देर इज अ लेंटिसेल और क्यूटिकुलर, उसमें से खाली निग्लिजिबल अमाउंट में जा रहा है, यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा पानी बाहर जाता है. 90% वाटर लॉस होता है बॉडी में का ये ओपनिंग में से, देर इज अ स्टोमेटा. ये जो है और मैग्निफाइड गार्ड सेल बताया वाला है, और देर इज अ ये open stomata and this is a closed stomata. So this is there is a complete diagram, or there is a magnified diagram of the stomata. So stomata we have studied previously, and type of stomata here, but here only water is lost from this. यहाँ पे क्या देखने का आपको कि वाटर यहाँ से मैक्सिमम बाहर जाता है, और ये वाटर बहुत ज़्यादा प्लांट को डिहाइड्रेटेड कर देता है, यहाँ से पानी वाटर लॉस होने की वजह से. लॉस ऑफ वाटर थ्रू स्टोमेटा, इट इज कॉल्ड एज स्टोमेटा ट्रांसपायरेशन. डेफिनेशन इज सिंपल, इट इज आल्सो आस्क्ड फॉर शॉर्ट नोट. ये शॉर्ट नोट्स में भी आ सकता है अपने को. आप अगर ऑफलाइन अगर एग्जाम दे रहे तो write a short note, stomata transpiration, write a short note, cuticular transpiration or lenticular transpiration. This type of a question may asked for short notes. ये short notes में भी ये टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं. तो आपको उसकी डायग्राम और उसका लोकेशन और हाउ वाटर इज लॉस, हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ वाटर इज लॉस फ्रॉम दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया, वहाँ से कहाँ कितना वाटर बाहर जाता है, ये आपको देर इज अ शॉर्ट में बताना पड़ेगा. 5 मार्क्स का है. तो डेफिनेशन सिंपल है हर एक की. वाटर व्हेन वाटर इज लॉस फ्रॉम क्यूटिकल क्यूटिकुलर, व्हेन वाटर इज लॉस फ्रॉम लेंटिसेल लेंटिकुलर, व्हेन वाटर इज ट्रांसफर्ड फ्रॉम स्टोमेटा स्टोमेटा. सिंपल. एंड द स्टोमेटा ओपनिंग्स प्रेजेंट ऑन द एपिडर्मिस ऑफ लीव्स. कहाँ रहते स्टोमेटा, उसका लोकेशन, हर एक का लोकेशन बता रहे हैं अपन. Then generally the number of stomata is more on the lower surface of the leaves. तो स्टोमेटा ये बहुत ज़्यादा पैमाने में द माइक्रोस्कोपिक Experimental studies are carried out by different scientists that stomata is present on the a lower surface of maximum stomata. जो stomata रहते हैं पत्ते के नीचे के साइड में ज़्यादा रहते हैं as compared to the there is a upper side, there is a dorsal side and ventral side जिसको बोलते हैं अपन. तो नीचे के साइड में रहते हैं जो डॉर्सल साइड है. ऊपर की तरह इधर क्या रहता है, लाइट ज़्यादा मैक्सिमम आती है ऊपर. और देर इज ये this is a less light is present on the lower side. So this is a more stomata to the lower side, more stomata, and less stomata to the upper side. Then in monocot they are equal in number. Monocot में क्या है, there is equal number है, but in dicot or there is a they are having a unequal, there is a distribution of the stomata. और aquatic plant में कैसा है, there is a particularly a pistia is there, econoria there, and they are present only on the upper surface of the leaf. तो ये upper surface पे there is a present रहते. There is a hydrophytic plant में. This is the example of the river. They are lower surface of the river leaf is submerged in the water. वो पानी में रहता है, उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे नहीं रहते, लेस रहते हैं. और ऊपर के ऊपर में there is a रहता. तो such type of a leaves are present on this particularly xerophytic plant, epiphytic plant, and there is a hydrophytic plant. All these are there is a having different types of a, there is a stomatal, there is a quantity. Particularly xerophytes are having there is a less stomata are there, very less. Xerophyte में बहुत ज़्यादा less रहते, कम रहते, क्योंकि these are the in particularly they are they are present because of a in a desert condition, so that they are having the capacity to conserve water, so that they are present in less quantity में there is a xerophytic में रहते हैं, and there is a hydrophytic are having only on the upper surface. So such type of a, there is a distribution of the stomata are present. Then there is a